This place is all about Rubik's Cubes. And that is where I will show my newfound skills today.
Phase 1. A spectator is twisting a Rubik's Cube as often as he wants to. Now I have 10 seconds to twist my bigger Rubik's Cube so that it matches exactly the small one.
Stimmt. 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 Und auf der anderen Seite.
Phase 2. The randomly chosen combination by the spectator will now be solved at world record speed. Of course, with a little help of my iPad app.
Genau, das wird schnell gelöst. Für einen Anfänger nicht schlecht, oder?
Let me know if you have any questions.
That is fantastic.
Thanks a lot. And thanks a lot to the Cubikon store for having me here today. Actually, those guys can solve a Rubik's Cube without an iPad.